From the Beetle and the Bus, through the Rabbit, Jetta and GTI, and the Tiguan and Atlas, Volkswagen has always maintained its status as the people's car, delivering not just great value in transportation, but fun-to-drive cars with a unique style. One example is the 1984 Mk1 Rabbit GTI. Volkswagen built its first US plant in the Westmoreland, Pennsylvania in 1978 and eventually assembled more than 1.1 million Rabbits there. The plant also produced Volkswagen's first American sporty car, the Rabbit GTI, a model that would win over generations of fans and spawn several hot hatch competitors. With 90 horsepower and a 5-speed manual, the Rabbit GTI created the hot hatch segment and offered affordable performance with everyday usability, just as its descendants do today.